Hi lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's tutorial is how to make this amazing um passion twist braided wigs you saw on my thumbnail before you clicked on this video. First of all, I want to say thank you to all my returning subscribers, and if this is your first time of coming by to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button to subscribe and also hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. So first of all, this style I'm making is not a center part, it's a C-cut, no, I rather say a side part that's in form of C. Yeah, like C-cut side part. So this is the style I'm making, and I'm trying to section it the way I want it to be, and this is exactly how it's gonna be. I've already done the C on the side, and then I'm trying to do another, like bring out the place that will form the side parts, if you understand what I mean. So I've done one of the sides and I'll be doing the second part. Just watch the video to understand what I'm trying to do here. So at the end of the video, when I'm braiding that part, you understand what I just did there. But first of all, make sure that you partition it the way you want it to be. Okay, so I've really gotten the C part I want, and the rest of it I will just section it like the way it's supposed to be, the back and the sides. So this is how it look after I've sectioned everything, and this is the extension I'll be using. It's a Lush passion twist extension, and it is 4 bundles. Yeah, 4 bundles in one pack, and this is the color 1B. So far so good. Lush has been a very good product, and I've been using both their braiding extension, the attachments, and kinky extensions. It's a very good product. So right there I was trying to position myself for the thumbnail. So this is how it comes. This is one bundle like this. Actually, I don't know how many is inside, like how many strands are inside the bundle, but this is just how one bundle is. It is 4 like this inside the pack. And for this hair, I use about 2.5 packs, not bundle, 2.5 packs. So each strand of hair, or each stick of hair I'll be making, I'll use 3 strands. Okay, so first of all, before I unravel it, I use my hand to drag it so that it will not tangle when unraveling it, just the way I'm doing in the video. So after doing that, I'll now split it into 2. This is 1. Okay, this is how it is after splitting it. Okay, so I'll be splitting the second one the same way I did the first one. This is the second one. Remember I told you I'm using 3, so I did 3 like this, and this is how I will start braiding it. Please keep watching this video too for more clarification and understanding. Also note that the hair I use for this braiding is a fiber hair, and it's a little bit like it's slippery, some kind of. So let's get into the braiding proper. So for the first knotless I'll be doing, I'll use like one of these, the one that I split it. I want you to understand, I split one strand into 2, so this is so far just one strand, the 2 of this thing I split it. Then the second hair I will put is the 2-in-1 strand I split it. I don't know how to explain this, but just know that one stick of hair is just the 3 strands I showed you in the beginning that I split it into 2. Okay, so like this now is 2 already that is here. You get 2 already is here, and I'll be doing a left hand. Is it left hand or right hand? I don't know. Just watch the video, but it's not the normal Senegalese twist kind of. This is a left hand or I think it's right hand because my hand is on the right. So the first few twists I will do will be very, very tight, very, very, very tight. As you can see, I'm doing it very tight. Okay, just keep watching. Okay, this place is a little bit fast, so the next one I made, I did it in a slow motion so that you understand it very well. And I also mirrored the video, because right here I used a selfie, like my selfie camera, to video it, so it's kind of left-handed. So this is how it looks after I have made it. Okay, the beginning is tiny, and as you're coming down, it's just like a knotless braid. Okay, in fact, it's a knotless braid passion twist. I did not tie it. So this second part now will be in a slow motion. So this is how I am splitting it. Okay, so like I told you, this side will be in slow motion. So this is how I'm making the hair. The first one, this is one, then the second one, this is two. So like this now is one strand. So the next strand I will be adding now will be two in, like one of the strands. Okay, you know I split each of them into two, so like this now is two now. So the last time I will now add is the last strand, I think so. So this is how I am twisting right now. This is the exact way I am twisting. The first one was mirror, that's why you could not see it very well. So as you can see, it is left-handed. Yeah, I'm twisting left, not right. So, and if I want to add, I will be adding from the back, not from the front. Okay, so right here is on a slow motion, so there is no need of me explaining here, so it's self-explanatory. So I'll just put some music and you enjoy the flow. I'm sorry to cut you short. So like I said in the first instance, the first twist will be very, very tight, as you can see. So after like 4 or 5 twists, I'll now be twisting very loose. Okay, it will be very, very loose. As you can see, the twist right here now is loose, it's not tight. The reason why I'm making the first place tight is so that the hair will not lose, and so that like I said, I want it to look like a knotless, so that it will be very small at the tips. Okay, so this is the last one I'll be adding right here, and that's it, guys. You just lose it, twist, and be going. right here now I'll be showing you how I section this part to give that exact C-cut I want. So I'll be doing it in a slant form, okay, and it will be in a brushed braid, like brushed, like you weave everything to the ends of the braids, okay, just exactly as I'm doing in the video. All right, so this is how I will be doing this C-cut. So this side I am now, I'll be sectioning it to the ends and as in upwards, then the other part I'll be sectioning it downwards.